Next heading in the selection process is interview. First one, application of blank scrutinize the application selection list. So first one, check the applications and selection test. The next selection process is interview. The next step in selection process is interview. The term interview has been derived from the French word enter wire, that means glimpse or to see each other. So interview means to glimpse or to see each other. In other words, interview represents a face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and interviewee. According to Scott and others, an interview is a purposeful exchange of ideas, the answering of questions, and communication between two or more persons. So an interview is a purposeful exchange of ideas, the answering of questions, and communications between two or more persons. Here the types of interviews are given, various types of interview. First one, screening or telephone interview. Then second one, depth interview. Third one, video conferencing interview. Fourth one, group interview. Fifth one, panel interview. Sixth one, preliminary interview. Seventh one, stress interview. Eighth one, structure or guided plan interview. Ninth one, unstructured interview. And 10th one, online interview or behavioral interviews. Online interviews. So the first one, screening or telephone interviews. Where the candidates live far away from organization and it find it too difficult to attend the preliminary interview for various reasons. Telephone interview is conducted by some organization to eliminate unfit and unsuitable candidates at the preliminary stage itself in order to avoid so many expenses or to avoid unfit candidates. The telephone interview conducted for the preliminary test. Then second one, depth interviews. This interview is conducted to test the level of knowledge of the interviewer in a particular field intensively and extensively. Thus, interview helps the interviewers to learn about the candidate expertise and practical exposures in order to know the candidates' expertness and practical exposure with respect to the area of specialization. Then third one, video conferencing interview. Video conferences interview is similar to face-to-face interview. Video conferencing interview is a kind of conference call that connect a candidate with companies located across various geographies. Just like a telephone call, a video conferencing interview has multi-point, which allows two or more people in a different location to participate in the interview process. So interview can be conducted from a desktop at work, a home computer or smartphone or tablet. Then group interview. A group interview is a screening process where multiple candidates are interviewed at the same times. More number of candidates are interviewed at the same times. Not only if interview means some companies call one by one, but here multiple candidates or more than 4 or 5 candidates are interviewed at the same time. Group interview is a good time saving type of interview. Instead of spending 5 hours interviewing 5 candidates individually, 1 hour can be spent interviewing them in a group. Sometimes particular topic is given to the group and they are asked to discuss it. The competency of number of group is assessed by keenly observing the participation of membership in the discussion. Then fifth interview, panel interview. Where a group of people interviewed the candidate is called panel interview. Group interview means multiple candidates are interviewed at the same time by the organization. Here, where group of people interview the candidate, a single candidate interviewed by a group of people, is called panel interview. Usually panel comprises chairperson, subject expert, psychological expert, representatives of minorities, underprivileged group, nominees of higher bodies, and so on. So all the higher authorities are together to conduct this meeting. All panel members ask different type of question on a general areas of specialization of the candidate. Each and every member award mark for the candidate separately. At the end, the marks awarded by all the members are aggregated mean total, and the candidates are ranked accordingly. This method eliminates bias in selection process. It ensures more reliability in the selection of the candidate. The next one, preliminary interview. Preliminary interview is conducted to know the general suitability of the candidate who have applied for the job. Team of experts conduct their interview primarily to eliminate those who are unqualified and unfit candidate. This helps the employer organization to cut cost and time in selection process. Then stress interview. This type of interview is conducted to test the temperament and emotional balance of the candidate interviewed. In the critical situation, how the candidates can be worked or how the candidates can be behaved. This should be checked with the help of this stress interview. They assess the suitability of candidate by observing the reaction and response of the candidate to the stressful situation. Mostly this type of interview is conducted for recruiting sales representative staffs for defense and law enforcement agencies. Then structure a guided or planned interview. Under this method, a series of questions to be asked by the interviewer are prepared by the interviewer, and only these questions are asked in the interview. So what are the questions to be asked? In the interview are prepared earlier, and that questions are alone asked in the interview. Ultimately, interviewees are ranked on the basis of score earned by the candidate in the interview. Then unstructured interview. This is quite contrary to structured interview. An atmosphere for free and frank interaction is created in the interview environment. There is no pre-prepared questions. Interviewers determine the suitability of the candidate based on their response to the random questions raised in the interview. Then 10th one, online interview. Due to tremendous growth in information and communication technology, these days interviews are conducted by means of internet via Skype, Packet, Google Duo, Viber, WhatsApp or video chat. This enables the interviewer to conduct interview with the candidates living in faraway places. This saves a lot of time, money and energy both for the employer, organization and the candidates. So these are the types of interviews. First one, screening, depth, video, group, panel, preliminary, stress, structure, unstructured and online interviews. The next heading is third one, reference check. This reference check, so before that we are going to see about the physical examinations or medical examinations. So first one, under the selection process, first one selection test, second one interview, third one physical examination or medical examination. The last technique used in a selection process is medical examination. Physical fitness of the candidate under the selection to the job concerned, to protect the existing employees of business, to check the excessive expenditure in the treatment of selected employees after placement. Then a reference check. Reference check is done to know the reliability and trustworthiness of the candidate. And then fourth one, approval by higher authority. The selection committee sends the list of candidates selected, with some candidates are kept in waiting list for approval by higher authority like chairman, Human Resource Director, CEO and the like. Once the list is approved and selected candidate will be called for a final interview. Then last one, final selection. The successful candidate who passed through various stages of selection process will be called for final interview. If the candidate must pass all the stages of selection process means they will call for final interview. These candidates are briefed about the rules and regulations of the organization, organizational culture, reporting relationship, dress code, expectation of employer, facilities available for career growth, etc. At the end of the final interview, even the candidate under selection is allowed freedom to seek clarification or make his own demands, if any. The next heading is contract of employment. After the final selection process is completed, certain documents are expected to be signed both by the organization and the candidate. Hence, there is a need for preparing a contract of employment. The following basic informations which need to be included in a written contract of employment. Generally, it contains details like job title, duties, responsibilities, scale of pay allowance increments, working hours, date when continuous employment starts and basis for calculating service, work rules, grievance procedure, disciplinary procedure, special terms and conditions relating to